We refer to the clade containing our own species, Homo sapiens, and all the extinct species that share a more recent common ancestry with us than with chimpanzees as the hominids. As mentioned by Luke Smith in one of our other videos on punctuated equilibrium, check that out, there's the widely known picture showing a hypothetical ancestral species of primate that slowly and gradually transforms into modern-day humans over a series of stages. This is often portrayed as the paradigm example of evolution appearing in popular media, cartoons, etc. Yet that image, which is a caricature of phyletic gradualism, is extremely inaccurate, not when it comes just to most lineages, but to our own hominid group as well. Our clade is in fact replete with excellent fossil evidence that profoundly supports Punc-Eq. For instance, the history of our clade is not one of a single lineage angetically transforming from one type into another. Instead, it is a diverse clade consisting of numerous species, more than 20, and most of the time several species of hominids were around at once. As recently as 50,000 years ago, there may have been 3 species of hominids present: our species, the Neanderthals, and Homo floresiensis, sometimes called the hobbits. So, we live in a relatively distinctive time in the history of hominids, at least from that perspective. Further, when hominid speciation occurs in the allopatric mode, almost all hominid species, including our own, evolved as allopatric populations that appeared in Africa. Some of these species later became abundant and spread out from there. Ours is not the first hominid that shows this pattern, only the most recent. In addition, for those species with a dense enough fossil record, including our own, Neanderthals and Homo erectus, detailed studies have revealed excellent evidence for stasis in the overall morphology of our skeletons. In reality, the amount of change that accumulates in one lineage through time is about equal to the total amount of geographic variation present in the species at any one point in time. Punc-Eq provides the correct framework for understanding the history of our clade, and it also provides a good framework for understanding our future, and that is one where stasis should be expected, as presently opportunities for allopatric speciation are lacking. Outside of an accident of future space travel or some disaster that takes place on Earth, that type of regime is expected to continue.